Over 60. One nighttime food that heals and protects aging eyes. You, and millions of others just like you, are spending billions of dollars on new corrective lenses, pricey supplements, and specialized treatments, all while the large clinics and big drug companies grow richer. But what if the genuine path to protect and even help repair your vision isn't found in a prescription pill or a costly surgery, but in something simple already sitting in your kitchen cabinet? You've probably been told that dry, gritty eyes, cloudy mornings, and blurry nights are simply a necessary part of getting older. I want you to know that is not true. Losing your sight tragically steals away independence. My goal here is very simple: to give you real scientific steps you can implement starting tonight. In this video, I will reveal 8 powerful foods ranked from least to most effective, plus the precise timing and method for eating them so your eyes can begin their critical process of healing while you sleep. 8 foods to repair and protect your eyes at night. 1. Sweet potatoes. Let's begin with a food most people never consider when thinking about their eyes: sweet potatoes. On the surface, they might appear to be just a simple starchy side dish, but in reality, they are one of the most potent vision-boosting foods you can eat. Especially in the evening, sweet potatoes are heavily loaded with beta-carotene, which your body quickly and efficiently converts into vitamin A. This specific form of vitamin A is precisely what your eyes utilize while you sleep to stay healthy and strong. Just a single serving provides more than enough to fuel the delicate cells in your retina that aid clear vision in dim light and significantly reduce the strain that often accompanies aging eyes. When you consume them in the evening, the nutrients enter your system and are directed to your eyes just in time for the natural, restorative repair work your body performs during deep sleep. Optimal tip: to maximize their benefit, sweet potatoes should be baked or steamed with the skin left on, as that's where a large amount of the nutrition is concentrated. Avoid the microwave, which can strip away their natural goodness. Small but crucial advice: adding a teaspoon of healthy fat, like grass-fed butter or coconut oil, helps your body absorb the beta-carotene much more effectively. Try having one medium-sized sweet potato about 90 minutes before bed. Wild-caught salmon next is wild-caught salmon, and this fish is truly extraordinary for your eyes. It is packed with crucial omega-3 fatty acids, along with a unique antioxidant called astaxanthin. Working together, they provide both powerful protection and essential fuel for your vision. The retina in your eyes is constructed largely of fatty acids, and more than half of that structure is DHA, the exact type of omega-3 found in abundance in salmon. While you are resting at night, your body uses DHA to actively restore and rebuild the delicate photoreceptor cells that enable you to see clearly. By eating salmon in the evening, you are giving your eyes the precise raw materials they need for overnight repair. Moreover, astaxanthin acts like a defensive shield, helping protect your eyes from the stress of blue light emitted by screens, phones, or even bright street lamps at night. The key is always wild-caught salmon, not farmed. Wild sources contain much higher levels of both astaxanthin and omega-3s. Optimal tip: to keep the delicate fats intact, bake a filet at a low temperature, around 325 Joule circa, for only 12 to 15 minutes. Season lightly with turmeric and black pepper to boost its natural anti-inflammatory power. Pair it with a gentle carbohydrate like quinoa to keep your blood sugar stable. Eating about 4 ounces of salmon 2 hours before bed is a simple, delicious way to support sharp vision as you sleep. Goji berries. Another food that is often overlooked but can perform wonders for your eyes is the goji berry. These small red berries may seem simple, but they are loaded with nutrients that directly support vision, especially the area responsible for sharp central sight. Goji berries are the richest natural source of zeaxanthin available. This compound plays a fundamental role in protecting the macula, the area of your eye that allows you to recognize faces, drive, and read clearly. Zeaxanthin also functions like natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light from screens and lamps that cause long-term strain and damage. Goji berries are best consumed in the evening because your body absorbs the nutrients more efficiently at night. Optimal tip: Take about an ounce of organic goji berries and soak them in warm water for 10 minutes to soften them, or stir them into plain Greek yogurt. Avoid having them with tea or coffee, as these drinks can inhibit nutrient absorption. A simple trick: pair them with a handful of raw almonds because the vitamin E in almonds works directly with zeaxanthin to strengthen and protect your delicate retinal cells. Eating this combination about an hour before bed provides excellent eye support. Organic egg yolks. For many years, the yolk was unfairly demonized and pushed aside due to fears of cholesterol. But for eye health, the yolk is undeniably the most valuable part of the egg. Egg yolks are one of the most easily absorbed and richest sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, the exact nutrients your aging eyes require. These two compounds naturally gather in the macula to reduce glare, filter harmful blue light, and help you see fine details. Key fact: the deeper the orange color of the yolk, the more potent it is. Yolks from pasture-raised organic chickens can contain up to 10 times the lutein of regular eggs. The cholesterol in egg yolks, rather than being harmful, acts as a delivery system, carrying these fat-soluble antioxidants and vitamins directly to the cells of your retina. Optimal tip: how you cook them is vital. To preserve the delicate compounds, keep the heat low and the cooking time short. Softly scrambling them in a little ghee or butter is ideal. Never overcook them, as high heat strips away their protective power. Having 1 or 2 organic, pasture-raised egg yolks gently cooked in the evening is one of the most effective and delicious ways to deliver essential lutein and zeaxanthin to your eyes. 5. Bilberries. Bilberries are truly one of those hidden natural treasures that a lot of people have never even heard of, yet they have been successfully used for generations to both sharpen and protect vision. In fact, there is a legendary story from World War II where Royal Air Force pilots ate bilberry jam before flying difficult nighttime missions because they quickly noticed it helped them see much more clearly in the dark. Today, science confirms why. Bilberries are absolutely bursting with anthocyanins, which are powerful plant compounds that help your eyes rapidly regenerate rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is a crucial protein that your eyes depend on to properly process light and adjust to low-light conditions. This becomes critically important as we age because the eye's natural ability to adapt to darkness gradually lessens. For seniors who are struggling with the onset of macular degeneration, bilberries have been shown to slow down the progression of the disease, in some studies, by more than 70% over a couple of years. This is a huge finding, translating to less eye strain, significantly sharper night vision, and in some cases, even improved ability to read without corrective lenses. Optimal tip: the best way to consume bilberries is raw, as heat from cooking can easily damage their delicate compounds. If you only have frozen bilberries, simply let them thaw and be sure to eat both the berries and the released juice. A powerful trick: avoid eating them at the same time as vitamin C supplements or citrus fruits, as that specific combination can neutralize some of their protective effects. Instead, try pairing them with a small handful of walnuts. The healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds in the walnuts work synergistically with bilberries, boosting their ability to protect the sensitive eye tissues. This simple, delicious evening snack is one of the best natural ways to keep your vision steady and your nights brighter. Black currants. Black currants are easily one of the most under-recognized vision-protecting foods. Yet they offer so much, particularly for seniors who want to actively protect their eyesight at night. These small, dark purple berries are loaded with vitamin C, which not only strengthens the intricate network of tiny blood vessels in your eyes, but also fights off the oxidative stress that slowly wears down vision over time. What makes black currants truly unique, however, is a rare omega-6 fatty acid called GLA, gamma-linolenic acid. Unlike most omega-6 fats that can sometimes trigger inflammation, GLA actually does the opposite. It helps to calm inflammation and directly nourish the delicate tissues of your eyes. Scientific research has indicated that black currants can help lower eye pressure, sharpen overall vision, and even provide support for people in the early stages of glaucoma, a condition many older adults worry about. Optimal tip: having about $1 frac 1 2 cups of fresh or frozen black currants before bed. or simply taking a couple of tablespoons of black currant seed oil can make a significant difference. To gain the most benefit, always pair them with a little healthy fat, such as a spoonful of cottage cheese, some plain Greek yogurt, or a few raw nuts. The fat ensures your body absorbs the powerful compounds much more effectively. Remember, do not cook or heat them, as high temperatures destroy their precious antioxidants and fatty acids. When eaten raw in the evening, they align with your body's natural repair processes during sleep, giving your eyes the nutrients they need to rest and heal. 7. Saffron. Saffron is famous for being called the golden spice, and when we look at eye health, it truly lives up to that precious name. What makes saffron so remarkable is that it contains two powerhouse compounds, crocin and crocotine, which don't just slow down age-related vision loss. They have been shown to actually help reverse some of the existing damage. For seniors with deep concerns about macular degeneration, this is truly incredible news. In fact, one well-regarded 6-month clinical trial revealed that saffron was capable of restoring function in photoreceptor cells, the light-sensitive cells in your retina that many eye experts once believed could never be repaired. Imagine that. Cells in your eyes that were considered permanently damaged actually coming back to life and functionality. Optimal tip. The most effective way to use saffron for your eyes is very simple. Take approximately 15 to 20 threads and steep them in warm milk, not boiling, for about 15 minutes. Drink this naturally soothing mixture about an hour before bed. While you sleep, the healthy fat in the milk acts as the perfect vehicle, delivering saffron's active compounds directly to your retinal tissue. Many individuals notice improvements within a few weeks, sharper vision, clearer colors, and less strain when doing close-up work. Beyond its incredible impact on your eyes, saffron also has a natural calming effect, helping you relax and drift into deeper, more restorative sleep. 8. Raw cacao. And now we've reached the food that truly stands at the very top when it comes to repairing and protecting your vision. Raw cacao. I want to be crystal clear here. I am not talking about the heavily processed cocoa powder that is stripped of its goodness and turned into the sugary hot chocolate mixes you see everywhere. I am talking about raw, unroasted cacao, the purest form that still holds on to hundreds of powerful compounds your eyes can utilize for repair while you sleep. One of the key compounds found in raw cacao is epicatechin. This incredible little nutrient is like a miracle worker for aging eyes. It significantly improves blood flow directly to your retina, which means more vital oxygen and nutrients get to the cells that help you see clearly. It also helps your eye cells construct new mitochondria, the tiny engines that power your vision. On top of that, raw cacao can actively trigger the growth of new neurons in your optic nerve, the crucial pathway that sends images to your brain. That's precisely why some seniors who consistently made cacao a part of their nightly routine didn't just slow down vision decline. They actually regained sharper sight, developed thicker retinas, and in certain reported cases, even reversed damage associated with diabetic eye disease. How to make the power drink. To create this potent eye-repairing drink, take 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder and mix it with warm cashew milk. Add just a pinch of cinnamon and a touch of cayenne pepper. These spices not only enhance absorption, but also help balance your blood sugar throughout the night. Timing is essential. For the best possible results, drink it about 45 minutes before bed and ideally on an empty stomach so your body can fully absorb its benefits. One vital reminder: never use Dutch processed cocoa because the very process that makes it smoother also destroys the healing compounds found in raw cacao. When prepared correctly, this evening ritual isn't just comforting. It's like sending your eyes to an overnight repair shop. So you wake up seeing the world a little brighter, a little clearer, and with renewed confidence in your vision. So, here's the big truth. Losing your eyesight as you grow older is not simply an inevitable part of aging. It's often the result of just missing the very nutrients your eyes desperately need at night when they are biologically programmed to heal. The reality is your body already possesses a built-in repair system. All you have to do is supply it with the correct fuel. And these simple foods, raw cacao, saffron, eggs, spinach, blueberries, and ginger, can flip that repair switch back on. Imagine going to sleep knowing your eyes are actively getting stronger, not weaker. Imagine waking up with sharper, clearer vision, ready to face the day without the constant anxiety that things will only deteriorate. The most powerful changes don't come from expensive treatments or quick-fix pills. They emerge from the small, consistent, high-impact choices you make every single day, the kind that bring genuine healing from the inside out. Start incorporating these specific foods into your evening routine, and your eyes will sincerely thank you, not just tonight, but for the many years ahead. If this video proved to be helpful and valuable to you, please make sure to hit that like button. It truly helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life Health and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos designed to help you live a stronger, healthier life. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.